Assalamualaikum. I hope you guys are fine. You guys see the situation of the plant here is growing well, and I already give my all rose plant the DAP fertilizer nearly 15 days before. Now after the 2 days I will give them organic fertilizer. Remember one thing, when soil is dry, then apply the water on the soil. So you can see it's a detailed video about the rose plant. And remember one main thing, do not over watering in the winter season to your rose plant. So you can see it is also this one, and this one is the local variety of Indian rose, I called it. And this one died before, now it's growing, so it will take a time to grow better. So let's see what's happened next in the future with this plant. And here I took the thick branch from this Paris Beauty English grafted rose. So here's a myth. People said the English grafted rose are not grow well via cutting, or not grow well. Different conspiracy about they said. So but the reality is different. So I will show you in the next uh, in the few minutes. You can see it's also the Indian variety rose, but the different blooming size of the rose and the petals are different, but it is also the local variety of Pakistani roses. So that is the main reason I want to tell you this all. Now you can see it's a pink rose. Nearly 15 days before I make thin cuttings and try to grow. One is growing successfully and other is start to grow. I apply the rooting hormone. That is the successful chances are so much. And also I am experimenting on the thick layers or thick branches and cutting I was take here, and you can see, and it's also growing well. And so you can grow in December English variety of roses. I hope you understand. Thank you for your time. Assalamu alaikum.